Have you sent a message to someone on Instagram, but wish that you can change the message and edit it? Then you came to the right place. In this Instagram tutorial, we'll show you a simple little trick on how you can edit your Instagram messages without unsending them or removing them. Instagram has added a new little feature in the latest update, where they will allow us to edit our messages even after we send them. Firstly, you will have to go over to your App Store or the Google Play Store and just check if your Instagram app is updated to the latest version. So if you see a little update button right here, simply tap on that button and wait a couple of seconds until the latest version of the Instagram application installs on your device. This way, we will be sure that we have all of the latest features for the app, including the ability to edit our messages. We will open the app and go over to our DMs, and then we will send a message to someone. I'm gonna type, "I'm great, and you," and send it to this person. But let's say I've sent this message and changed my mind. I wanted to say something differently, and I don't want to unsend this message and resend it again. I can long press on my message, and a couple of options will appear over my screen. Click on this little edit button, and then you'll get to this editing message option. Just delete the parts that you don't want, or edit the message to however you like. And after you do this, just click on this send button, and your message will be edited without needing to send a new message. Just keep in mind that this edit button is available for any message for up to 15 minutes. If a message is older than 15 minutes, then you won't have the option to edit it. It's only available for newer messages that are up to 15 minutes old. If you sent a message yesterday or a couple of weeks ago, you won't be able to edit and change that specific message. You can only edit messages for up to 15 minutes.